Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So after entering, let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter history. Here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you want to remove some advanced browsing data, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got basic options, which includes browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, you've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to mark something, make sure that if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty. What is more, I forgot to say, we've got the time range option. You can change it from last day to, for example, last year or last 7 days. Yes, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.